If you're like me, you might have had this happen. Very annoying. So that's the little mechanism there. And there's a spring that normally pulls it down, which breaks off. So I've looked at trying to fix that spring and there's just no chance. It's a little bit of plastic that's like snapped off. But then I thought maybe if I push the thing down rather than try and spring it, just sticking a little bit of squidgy foam. This is like a yoga mat thing. And I've just chopped it, and double seems to be plenty. Just watch this magic. So all you need to do is push that little thing down, stick in your folded bit of foam. That's in. So now you can see that that's pushing the little thing down. Oh my god. No more flappy thing.
Result.